So every once in a while on this channel, I do something that's not automotive. And today I have two very nice credit cards that I'm going to somewhat review, sort of, kind of. Mastercard Blackcard, JPMorgan Reserve Card. Okay, these have not been opened. So do I open them? Do I activate them? Do I buy something nice? Let's go with this card first. Okay. Oh, wow. So first, what we see is this is a heavy box, first off. We'll just set this to the side. Inside, this thing says luxury card. Flex. I'm not luxury. I'm not even rich or wealthy, which there's a difference. There's the 1%ers, which I'm not, and then there's the 0.1 percenters that the 1%ers aspire to be. First off, as we open this thing, it has kind of a magnetic latch. Welcome, luxury card. So this is the black card. Card member care, my account management, international collect. I always wonder when you're opening anything and they put phone numbers and stuff inside, like who's going to carry this around? Nobody. Set that to the side. Another little insert, a utility pad. This luxury card utility pad is specially designed from handcrafted leather. This is the utility pad. It's specially crafted from handcrafted leather. It feels nice because it is leather. It feels like a leather swatch when you're picking stuff for your sofa or love seat or rocker recliner. I love that leather smell. On the inside of this, it's in this. Oh, this is nice. It's like a carbon fiber backing. My luxury card. This is really nice. It's nice metal. I have a metal card. I really do. I have an American Express Gold card. But the inside of this is wood. It smells good. I'm a big scratch and sniff guy. And a bunch of papers on the inside, but man, this is kind of a luxurious note because it's a luxury card, but it kind of feels unnecessary because once I've opened it and I have pulled out said card, I'm not gonna, walk around, have this thing in my pocket and whip this out of my coat and be like, oh, no. I got it. So let's go over some of the features of this thing. So this is the Mastercard Blackcard underwritten by Barclays. I have a Barclays card too, but it ain't this. In order to get this, you have to have at least 700 credit, which is not that hard to do today. Some of you don't have anything close to that. Some of you have 800 and whatever. Given that, it's not that hard to get into, at least that part. Check. Unfortunately, this thing carries a $495 annual fee, which makes it almost like top 3 most expensive annual fee cards. There's a lot of cards out there, reward cards out there, that have no annual fee or a low annual fee or no annual fee the first year as an introduction, and then like a $100 annual fee or $200 annual fee. Also, when it comes to spending, you get a point for every dollar you put on this card. So this is great if you're traveling. I travel a lot. I have my American Express Gold card for that because that also gives you $1 for every dollar spent. Another thing is you get a $100 annual credit for airlines. Not a lot of money for airlines for select lounges. I'm here to tell you, not every airport has a lounge for every airline. Some airports have a different lounge that is specific to cards like this. Some only have a specific lounge like American Airlines, the Admirals Club. I was an Admirals Club member until I stopped traveling. Thank you, pandemic era. I have the Explorer Lounge for United, which I haven't flown a United flight in like 3 years. I love the way this card feels. Not saying it's my card, not saying it's not my card, but it's not my card. There's that thing when you throw down a black card, you see them on TV. That is not this card. The black card you see on TV is an American Express Centurion card. And you have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a year to even qualify, which I don't. I could probably add up all my assets, including the house, and we might qualify to apply. So that's enough about this card. Let's open up the other card. Ooh, this is nice. I feel like I just got an invitation, except for someone already applied, but I feel like this is a really fancy invitation to, like, I don't know. The winner of Best Actor goes to me. Okay, anyway, here it is, the JPMorgan. Wow, this is the JPMorgan Reserve card. This is really nice. Okay, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Here's the back of the card. This is really nice. I don't know which presentation I like the best. This one or this one. I think they're both very nice. Right here it says JPMorgan etched. It's got the smart chip, a nice metal card. Has palladium in it. You guys know what else has palladium in it? Your catalytic converters. It's a very expensive metal. People are stealing your cats. Can't get away with stealing this. What else is in here? Another small envelope. Probably registering your card, business reply mail, shipping returns. I'd like to return this card. I can't afford it. At one point in time, to get this card, you had to do like $10 million in like e-commerce or something. Obviously, I don't know because I'm never going to do that. As far as packaging goes, I think the Mastercard Blackcard, the luxury card, is a lot nicer. This is a nice card. This feels like $1 million. Silly me, need to go over some of the features of this JPMorgan Chase Reserve card. I wish all credit cards were just like this, but then what would this be if they were all like this? I guess it wouldn't be that special, but I don't know. I think this is really cool. This is really cool. You guys see that? That is really cool. Number one, what's different on this card? You get 3 times points per dollar spent. You get a $300 travel credit, which is 3 times more than that card. 3 times the points spent at every restaurant for every dollar, and then of course 1 point for every other dollar spent on all other purchases. This also gets you primary rental car insurance. I'm a contractor. My contract company carries the insurance, but if I were not a contractor, which by the way, I had an incident once, and my contract company didn't actually pay for it, and I had to pay for it through my insurance first, so this would have came in handy. Priority Pass lounge access, very similar to this card. How are we defining that? It's got a $100 statement for TSA pre-check or global entry. I always laugh when I see stuff like that because here's the deal. If you have this card, you probably already have TSA pre-check. You may or may not have global entry. But what I mean by that is when you get TSA pre-check, you pay for 5 years. So the chances of this benefiting you for that are next to none. Or unless you just decided to come across a bunch of money and decided you're going to do a lot of traveling and you said, hey, try to get TSA pre-check. How much does it cost? I don't know, it's like $120 for 5 years. Oh, I've got my JPMorgan Baller card. Now it's $20. Also comes with a $300 flexible travel credit, complimentary Dash Pass subscription for DoorDash. The thing about these things is cards that cost a lot of money and you have to spend a lot of money to even qualify for the cards also seem to save you a lot of money. It's kind of like the rich getting richer, sort of kind of, right? Complimentary year of Lyft Pink. I don't even know what that is. I'm an Uber guy myself. Access to VIP events hosted by Chase. Special benefits at luxury hotels, blah, 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 blah. Plus up to $120 cash back on all access membership. There's a lot of cool things like with Airbnb, your points are worth 50% more when you do the pay yourself back. You know, the money, you know, like the Chase commercials where you get money back for spending money. Another good benefit is all the points you get on this thing, you could transfer to your other cards, your lesser cool cards, you know, like the United Explorer Mileage Plus card. This is good for 2 free tickets every year to the United Lounge. And I don't even think we put anything on this card. Oh yeah, we do Costco because they don't do American Express. Now I'm going to compare and feel the 3 cards. Honestly, my wife and I have talked about going from the American Express Gold card to maybe the Platinum card, not the Black card, the real Black card, the Centurion card, because we don't spend enough money. We don't make enough money. And anything and everything we've ever wanted, we've been able to get on this Gold card, including the points. Now, every time I use this at a store, the people are like, oh, wow, this is a really nice card. And they're right, it is. But feeling these, I guess this would be the more flexible card. And in many ways, it really is the most flexible card compared to this card because you can do so much more with this card and it's not even a flex move. Again, if you want the good Black card, you're going to get the American Express one. But just on feel, man, this this is the best card of all of these without question, followed by the American Express Gold card in my opinion, and then coming in a distant third because of the annual fees, which by the way, this also has a $500 a year annual fee. But the annual fees alone make it not worth it when these two have the same core benefits, but we use this one all the time, so we don't need this one. Anyway, if you like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. I know this is not my normal type of deal. Every once in a while I do Every once in a while I do an unboxing of anything that I get that I can use toward my purchases, whether it's for the cars or for the studio or for this or for that or for travel. Also, make sure you subscribe to Hard Parking, which is the podcast of Hard Parking Media. And I'll catch you guys next time.